Work-from-home opportunities span diverse fields and interests, providing a variety of options for those seeking additional income. If you have a spare room, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO to generate passive income. Online tutoring is another option where you can offer your expertise in specific subjects or standardized tests through online tutoring websites or social media channels. Freelance writing is a versatile work-from-home opportunity where you can create content for various purposes, including websites, blogs, or advertisements. You can cater to different clients with specialized or broad writing services, ranging from blog posts to marketing materials. Transcription services are another option where you can convert speech into text with excellent attention to detail. These services are typically paid per audio hour, offering flexibility, but may require transcription of less interesting topics. Social media management involves managing accounts for businesses, engaging with followers, and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary to succeed in this field. Online surveys offer an easy way to earn extra money, but the earnings are not highly lucrative. It's a flexible option to provide feedback through online survey websites. In-home daycare services can attract a steady client base if you offer childcare services from home. Pricing is usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging can monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. It requires time to build a loyal following, but can generate passive income. Dropshipping is a work-from-home opportunity where you sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. You can profit from price differences between retail and wholesale, making it a popular choice. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare is another work-from-home opportunity. The content can include text, videos, quizzes, etc., catering to specific skills or expertise. Online photo sales are lucrative for professionals with professional quality photographs. You can sell your photos to stock photo websites, providing visuals for marketing materials. Pet sitting offers a work-from-home opportunity if you have a suitable living situation and adequate insurance. You can offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Selling homemade crafts and art is another option where you can sell your products on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Once established, you can transition to your own website. Providing graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits can be a lucrative work-from-home opportunity. Showcase your skills with a variety of work samples and charge flat or hourly rates. Proofreading is an in-demand work-from-home opportunity where you can correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market your skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. In conclusion, work-from-home opportunities abound, ranging from renting out spare rooms to providing online services in various fields. With careful planning, dedication, and skill, you can turn your work-from-home endeavors into profitable ventures.